Could this be a vision of our future? This is what it's like living in the worst air pollution in the world. Cities growing unchecked, filthy air, the silent effect of climate change. Is this toxic cocktail pushing our civilization to its limits? I've got a pollution monitor here. PM2 tiny particles that get deep into your lungs. Half the population of Mongolia now live here in the capital, and most of them are burning raw coal. It's the cheapest way to keep warm, when temperatures get as low as -25. But it's choking the city and hurting its smallest residents. Iridny is only 5 months old, but he's already been hospitalized 6 times. Outside the hospital, PM2.5 levels are off the scale again. Every day here, doctors see hundreds of children who are struggling to breathe. It's surprising how little is being done to stop air pollution in Ulaanbaatar.
If it on for like 20 minutes, then this room will be cleaner.
Wow. Not enough people have these, right?
Yeah, actually, most air purifiers cost a lot, so people can't really afford it. And also,
This is extreme, almost apocalyptic. But the problems Ulaanbaatar is facing are being repeated all over the world. And unless we get a handle on the types of fuel we use, rapid urbanization and climate change, this kind of pollution could become the disturbing norm.
The term climate change has become increasingly more political and partisan over the past few years. Whether you believe in it or not, here are some of our observations.
In our 15 to 18 years on this planet, we have noticed dramatic changes in the weather in our own backyards.
I remember being a kid going trick-or-treating on Halloween, and sometimes it would snow. And this would snow throughout November and December. However, recently, we've been seeing less and less snow. For example, this year, it rained more times in December than it snowed. So there's a clear problem going on in our very own community.
We all experienced the crazy weather this winter, from the polar vortex to the freezing rain to the bomb cyclone. I mean, who had ever heard of that?
A once in a 500-year storm should happen every 500 years. However, there have been 28 in the last decade. From hurricanes to floods to droughts, there's clearly something going wrong with our planet's environment.